Motorcar. Another post here for the blog and on my YouTube channel. We are here in City Point Yard in Belfast, Maine, about to participate in a motorcar excursion up the Belfast and Moosehead Lake Railroad. 62 is here and has passed its narco inspection, as has Dad's Bangor and Rustic 18 right in front of me. I will be the last car for the procession on the way out and the first car on the way back. It's a great opportunity, and we're putting 60 miles on this sucker today. So, a little bit of luck, no mechanical trouble, we'll be good to go. We're about to get started here, so I'm going to shut the camera off and get back on the motorcar, but we'll see you up the track.
The west, and I'm going where the chilly wind don't blow. Oh, me and it's old Lord mine, going where the chilly wind don't blow. Like the hobo says to the bum, you got some wine, won't you give me some? I believe, great God, I'm going down. Oh, me and it's old Lordy mine. I believe, great God, I'm going down.
Hi folks, well, we're now at milepost 21 and a half, more or less. This is Thorndike Yard, right next to the Thorndike engine house. We're here taking a break, and so far so good. Dad's car just fouled a spark plug here about a mile down the track, but we got that fixed. Whatnot, things are going quite well. So we'll see you up the rail.
Don't go down that Canaan road. Back in the year of 43, I heard my mama pray. She prayed to the Lord to watch over me. I remember what she said. Don't go down that Canaan road. Oh, don't go down to. Don't go down that Canaan road, oh, don't go down to.
Okay folks, here we are at Unity, Maine, at the Unity Yard. We've had our lunch break, and now the group seems to be taking an ice cream break. That's the downside of having trackside ice cream. But changed out my spark plug just to prevent a possible flooding issue or something like that. But things are running quite well. As you can see, I am now the lead car. So, now that I got my speedometer up and working, we should be good to go for the run back. Anyway, we'll see you down the rail.
Shots rang out in the distance. The rain was pouring down. Shouts they echoed through the trees. I can't forget that sound. Don't go down that Canaan road. Oh, don't go down to. Don't go down that Canaan road. Oh, don't go down to.
Hello folks, we're back at City Point in Belfast, Maine. We've had a great run, 60 miles today out on the rail. VAR 62 has performed flawlessly. I did change out one spark plug. Not entirely sure if I needed to, but it felt like it was starting to run a little funny. But besides that, everything's run flawlessly. This thing's run just absolutely great today, and I got the honor of leading the pack back, so things worked out quite well. Anyway, we'll see you on the rail.
Don't go down to. Don't go